Doing another go at cracking another video out for you. This one's another eurospec. It's rim cylinder. It's a 5-pinner. A bit of a video fest today. When it's Sunday and all that, and why not? Try and get that clamped in there. There we go. It's all working. There we go. Look. Keys. Just gonna go in with a half diamond again. I do like this bit. Yeah. Did start picking with a half diamond. The Southwood. I've gone on C.L. Peterson now and been using them for the last few months. There you go. I always tend to do a little bit of brushing as I'm picking. Sometimes I find it can set a pin or two during the picking process. It's helped me out a few times. It's just something I've got into the habit of doing. I find it quite effective sometimes. Stuck there. There we go. I need to spend a bit more time on these rim cylinders. I don't really do many of them. I think the first video I ever done was a neighbour's rim cylinder, and that was a beautiful lot to pick. That was the feedback and the sport pins in there. It was great fun. But no, there we go. Anyway, cheers guys.